What is a thin-set mortar?
I didn't Every installation begins with some sort of adhesive. And I would dare say 85 to 90% of the time, it is a thin-set mortar. A thin-set mortar is a relatively complicated mix of cement, latex, and other specialty stuff. I've started with a precise measurement material and water to get the best consistency and the best performance out of this mortar. So now we have this mixed, and the polymers and the latex are starting to release, and it is ready to install. So why is Thinset the most useful and versatile adhesive on the tile and stone market?
Strong stuff.
Thinset creates a mechanical bond to your substrate and your tile. It has fingers that grab on to the pores of a material that you are setting it to or setting it with. As long as you follow the right procedures, follow the correct mixing instructions, and install it the right way. Thanks for tuning in on the basics. Today, you got some basic knowledge about thin-set mortar. Check with your contractor to make sure they're supplying and using the right thin-set for your installation. And remember, for all your tile and stone needs, tilebar.com, where you can purchase the best tile and also the best thin-set mortars.